In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through the marketing section of your Fresha dashboard. Whether you're new to using Fresha or you're looking to maximize your understanding of its features, this guide will help you effectively leverage the marketing tools available to you. Let's start by accessing your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the layout. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the navigation pane, which is your gateway to all the features Fresha has to offer. It's intuitive, allowing you to effortlessly manage various aspects of your business. You're going to want to focus on the gear icon, which is your one-stop shop for settings adjustments. Click on the gear icon. This will open up a set of options tailored for workspace configuration. Once you've clicked on that, turn your attention to the workspace settings. Here, you'll notice a variety of categories designed to help tailor the Fresha experience to suit your specific needs. To find what we're looking for, go ahead and spot the section labeled Marketing. This category is crucial for enhancing your client engagement and driving business growth. Click on it to delve deeper into the marketing settings. Now, you've reached the segment that can truly elevate your business's reach and efficiency. Within the marketing section, there are multiple avenues to explore. The first feature you'll notice is blast marketing. This tool allows you to send out mass communications to your clients, ideal for promotions or important updates. Next, there's automations. This can significantly lighten your workload by letting you set up automatic tasks, such as confirmation emails or reminders, thus ensuring your clients are never left in the dark. Moving forward, you'll discover the Deals option. Perfect for those looking to drive in sales through special offers or discounts, this setting allows you to curate deals that entice clients to engage with your services. Don't overlook the smart pricing feature, which intelligently adapts pricing strategies based on demand and availability, optimizing your revenue potential. Scroll down further to find the Sent Messages section. Here you can review your communication history with clients, keeping you on top of past interactions and messages. Following that, take a peek at Ratings and Reviews. This feature provides invaluable feedback, crucial for understanding client satisfaction and identifying areas for improvement. Staying engaged with this section will help you align your services more closely with client expectations and preferences. And there you have it, all the essential marketing settings available on Fresha. By effectively navigating this section, you're setting your business up for increased productivity and enhanced customer engagement. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to explore these features more deeply to see how they can specifically benefit your business needs. Keep optimizing, and see you next time.